Time pa. Luto na bang binignit diha? It's Holy Thursday today. And I believe everyone is naarat sa matong tagsa ka mga panimalay, nagpahulay, ang uban po sa tuan na sa mga nagkadalanlaing mga tigumanan, balay ampuanan, or lugar na makapaghinuktok, no? Makapagpamalandong. Na kung asa man ka, nagaampo ako, ang akong gitinguha na ikaw na doon na kay special nga encounter karong nga adlaw. Now, today, magahiskot na punta og lain nga three things in which atong i-remind usahay atong kaugalingon kay usahay bitso kapoy nya usahay lami na kay kanang undang, no? But today, mani ato ang pagabatbaton, no? Three things to remind ourselves, yourself, when you feel like giving up. Na. So, tara, kuyugi ko kadali, no? So, una, God is not finished with you yet. Okay. Now, in Philippians chapter 1, verse 6, it says here, I am confident of this very thing, that he who began a good work in you will perfect it until the day of Christ Jesus. Now, usahay, kita, natay mga panahon na atong feeling na stuck up ta. Muratag na lansang ba sa usa ka sitwasyon, sa usa ka lugar, na usahay natay mga kanya-kanya nga mga struggles na paminaw na to na dili kita makalingkawas. But I want you to understand that God is still working behind the scene. Sama sa paglihok niya o pag maniobra niya sa tuang tagsa-tagsa kakaluwasan. Nang ipasabot din sa aning nga verse is actually that God is working in you and me in the works of salvation. But in our application, usahay makafeel ta na murag nag-inusara man ko. Usahay makafeel ta murag ako ra man usa. Nalansang man ko ani. But remember that God is just behind the scene. What He started in you, believe me, He is going to finish it completely. Your story is written niya. Siya mo'y nasayod, siya mo'y nakakita, gikan pagsugod og hangtod unsa kini ang sitwasyon inig kahuman. Busa ayaw undang, no? Kung feel nimo naka sa tunga-tunga karon, ayaw undang, padayon lang, make that first continuous step every now and then, no? Ikaduha, your struggle is producing strength. In Romans chapter 5 verse 3 it says here, and not only this, but we also boast in our afflictions, knowing that affliction brings about perseverance. Okay? Pain isn't a waste in God's perspective and even in God's hand. Kada hardship na iyang ginabutang sa tuang life will build endurance. Dili lang makalahutay ta kundi mo build sa ato ang karakter. Then magbaton kita later on o gitawag nato og paglaom. So what feels like a setback is often a setup for a greater breakthrough. Kita lang ang nagunahunana na murag, oy, setback lang ni. Sitting on our laurels. No. It may seem to be like that, but God is just simply cooking something and producing something out from you. And that's exactly the reason why kung makabantay ka, ang atong problema, di man mawala. One after the other, and it progresses into the next level. Kumbaga, ni-graduate na ka ni, promoted ka in the next level, pag ikaw makagraduate na po ani nga level, ma-promote na po ka on the next level. There will be exam as always. Di ba? Sa eskwela ta, gikan grade 1 hantod na nahimo tang professional. Di ba? Usaka onto the next level, kinahanglan mo take ka sa exam. O kinahanglan, mapasar sa dani mo. Same thing with life. No? And lastly, number 3, you're closer than you think. Okay? In Galatians chapter 6 verse 9, it says here, and let us not lose heart in doing good, for in due time we will reap if we do not grow weary. Ayaw daw give up. Victory might be just a prayer away. Probably just another steps more. Wa ka kay balo na nagsunod ni mong lakang mao na di ay na. God allows it in order to build our faith. No? Ngano importante man siya. Because the Lord said, but without faith, it is impossible to please Him. So tanan niyang pagabuhaton sa ato ang life, part of that is to develop and nurture and allows our faith to grow. Just keep on walking. Just keep on believing. God's timing, always remember this, it's perfect. Even if it seems not. Usahay manggod, kita manggod ang mawadan og pasensya. Di ba? Mao nang maaburido ang atong hunahuna. Karon, just ask this to yourself. Which reminder do you need most today? Of the three things that we're talking, asa man diha nagikinahanglan nimo nga reminder today? Let's encourage each other. Write your comment in the comment section below so that ang matag usa na makabasa ni ma-encourage pod, no? Akong giawhag ang matag usa to write an encouraging word or statement base aning atong iskutan karon para kinipod mo dasig sa uban. Timing. Kay Hoy Bisante karon gawas sa binignit ang atong pagabuhaton kay ato ning i-share. Share. Bye!